So a lot of people were asking about the cost of living here in Spain, and I want to break it down. Yung cost of living namin here in Spain for two people in our flat here in Barcelona. Hola, it's your VA ate in Spain, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about the cost of living breakdown. So magsa-start tayo with the necessities muna. So of course, the housing here will differ kung saan kang city you'll choose to like live in. Of course, for small cities, you can get for as low as like 300 to like upwards of 800 for a one bedroom. Yun yung mga sa small cities. But of course, if you're aiming for like a major city like Barcelona or Madrid, you need to prepare at least, I would say, like from 700 or 800 to like 1,000 upwards if you're looking for a two-bedroom na apartment. Of course, it will vary then based on kung paano ka maghanap or like kung gaano siya ka-close to city center. Pero definitely, our rent is about 650 euros per month, and it's a two-bedroom. It's around 77 square meters. And then of course, isa kasama sa housing is yung utilities. So for the utilities, water bill would be around 20 to upwards of like 35, 40, of course depending on the season then. And then of course with electricity, around 100 euros upwards. Pero for us, now we're living here, only two of us, it would be around, I would say, 135 to 150 yung gastos namin, and that's without air conditioning. When it comes to like another necessity is food. So for food, yung budget namin, we try to balloon up, especially because we have a dog and we cook for him then. So yung usually is for us per head, parang I would say we range from about 10 to 15 euros per day. So depending pa yan, of course, kung gaano kalaki yung family nyo, and of course kung like how do you guys eat. Kasi kami, usually we just have a small breakfast, like, and then a little bit of lunch, and then a big dinner. So that's how we like do it. And of course, we also like eat snacks, ganyan, and we try to like um drink a lot of like juices and sometimes soda. So of course, depending yon itself, like sa family nyo and how you gonna budget that. But I would say comfortably na yung around 600 euros for two to three people.